Tip number 1, do your research. It's crucial to know about the place you're visiting. Look up the local customs, currency, and safety precautions. This knowledge will make your trip smoother and more enjoyable. Second, pack light. Overpacking is a common mistake. Remember, you'll likely buy souvenirs, so save some space in your luggage. Number 3, keep copies of your travel documents. This includes your passport, visa, and travel insurance. It's always good to have backups, just in case. Fourth, stay flexible. Delays happen, plans change. Keep an open mind and don't let little hiccups ruin your trip. Moving on to number 5, learn a few local phrases. Knowing how to say hello, thank you, and where's the bathroom can go a long way. Number 6, don't flash your valuables. Keep your belongings secure and out of sight to avoid attracting unwanted attention. 7th, respect the culture. Remember, you're a guest in someone else's home. Follow local customs and rules to show your respect. Number 8, stay hydrated and eat well. Traveling can be exhausting, so make sure you're taking care of your body. Moving on to number 9, have a daily budget. This will help you avoid overspending and ensure you have enough for your entire trip. 10th, use local transportation. It's usually cheaper and gives you a closer look at the local culture. Number 11, stay connected. Get a local SIM card or portable Wi-Fi device so you can communicate and navigate your way around. 12th, take lots of photos. They are the best souvenirs and reminders of your experiences. 13th, travel insurance is a must. It's better to be safe than sorry. 14th, enjoy the local cuisine. Step out of your comfort zone and try something new. 15th, keep an emergency contact. Whether it's someone back home or a new friend on the road, make sure someone knows where you are. Number 16, pack a first aid kit. Accidents happen, so it's best to be prepared. 17th, dress appropriately. Research the local dress code and pack accordingly. 18th, keep a travel journal. It's a great way to remember your experiences and feelings. 19th, get up early. The early bird catches the worm, and in this case, less crowded tourist spots. And finally, the 20th tip, have fun. Remember, you're traveling to enjoy yourself. Don't get too caught up in the itinerary and remember to relax. That's all for today's top 20 travel tips for first-time travelers. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more travel advice and tips. Safe travels.